What's up, peeps? Welcome back to another math vid. Today we're going to be looking at some more area and perimeter of irregular figures. Very fast. I can say it very fluently now, and I'm proud of that. Okay, so our first question today is, use the figure below to answer the next two questions. So we've got this wonky-looking rectangle composed thingamajig. So our first question is, the first actual question, what is the area of the figure? I have a bunch of answer choices. The area of this figure is extremely simple. There's actually a lot of ways you could solve this. You could decompose it into like a rectangle on top, a rectangle on bottom. You could do the entire thing and then subtract the square here. No, sorry, not the square. The rectangle here, slightly rectangle. And there's also a lot more. But I'm just gonna do one strategy today, which is gonna be, you can cut these two into two separate rectangles. So it's 5 times 8, 40, and 6 multiplied by 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5, 13, 12. So that means 12 times 6, easy. So then it's just 72 plus 40, which many of you probably already know. Because 1, it has to end in 2, and 2, it has to be greater than 100 because 70 plus 30 is already 100. So you don't even need to solve it. You don't need to plop it on some paper. What is the perimeter of this figure? All right, so you might be thinking, oh my God, perimeter is much harder. No, it is really not. It's actually quite a bit easier. As you see, you can move the 7 here down to create this, and the 8 here across to create this. So it's basically just the perimeter of the entire figure. You just need to solve for these lengths. But that's still pretty simple because now the entire thing here is 12, and the entire thing here, 6 plus 8, 14, that's 14. So it's just 12 plus 14 multiplied by 2. So I'm going to write that down. So that equals 2 multiplied by 26. And so it also has to end in 2. So let's look at the answer choices there. Yes, only one number ends in 2, 52. Solving is not needed. Solving is something we do not need in life. Okay. Our next question. Jake has 2 rectangular cards, each 10 inches long and 4 inches wide. He lays them side by side, creating a larger rectangle as shown below. This is so much easier. You see, it says that it's 10 inches long and 4 inches wide, 4 times 2 because they put them side by side. This is the wideness. You can kind of guess because the wideness was actually less than the longness. So it's 8 because 4 times 2 equals 8. So now it's basically just 2 multiplied by 10 plus 8. Or in this solution, you don't actually need this equation. You can actually just simplify it down. 10 times 2, 20. 8 times 2, 16. So it's just 20 plus 16. And so it's 8. So yeah, I hope this vid helped you guys learn at least a bit more about math, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!